Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Your TV is online and updated, and you have your Google credentials and any two-factor method ready. On the TV, navigate to Settings or Accounts and choose Add Account. Once done, select Google from the provider list and you'll see a prompt to sign in. This step starts the secure token exchange, which lets apps like YouTube and Play Store share your account without repeatedly asking for your password. Now you authenticate. If on-screen typing is slow, pick the Use Another Device option and visit the shown URL to enter the code. This speeds entry and reduces errors. Enter your email, then password, and respond to any two-factor prompts. Make sure to review permission requests. Granting access allows sync of apps and settings, while denying some options limits personalization. Once you accept, the TV exchanges tokens so apps can. To finish, verify the account is listed in Settings Accounts and ensure sync is enabled for Play Store and media apps. Open YouTube or Play Store to confirm your profile picture and purchased content appear. This proves tokens were issued correctly. If something fails, restart the TV, confirm the clock and time zone are correct, and retry two-factor authentication. If you still can't sign in, remove the account entry and repeat the add process to refresh the token exchange and permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.